here common word is angle. That means this word from Latin angulos. Angulos means corner or angle, corner or angle, or in Hindi we can say mode. So this is simply, you can say, corner, angle or mode. So all these words carry such type. So this is simply angle. That means in Hindi I write mode. Now this is related to angle. This means, actually already we have discussed, AR means related or pertaining. So this means related to angle, or we can say pertaining, related to angle, or I write here simple angle related. Now multi-angular. Multi-angular is many angles. That means, because the word multus or multa, this is for male, and multa is for female. So multi-angular is many angles. Simple many angle or many mode. This is triangle. Tri means three, so three angle. This is penta. Penta means five. That means this is five angle, because the word penta means five. Hexa means six. Septa means seven. So similarly this is six angle, and this is angulate. Angulate means to make angle, or modna. Simple we can say in Hindi like modna. Now ankle. Ankle is, actually we know ankle is the feet of the part where two bones are attached or meet. That means it is the lower part of the feet. But ankle means what we say, that where feet like this, so this part we say ankle, and this is because of angle, it is we say ankle.